rated. Today, we're going to be reviewing 5-star rated slimes. So, let's get started. Okay, so, the first slime, well, I don't even know, because I feel like a bump here, like a bump here, so I don't know, let's open it. Ooh, okay, so I did order 2 black rainbow cakes, so here they are, a jumbo one and a medium one. Okay, first thing I gotta say, this shouldn't be 5 stars, because look, it's not filled all the way to the top, but that's kind of fine, I guess. Ooh, it's a nice texture. Texture is nice, though. The beads fall off, though. It smells okay. Put that in. Next, let's play with the jumbo slime. So, test it out. Ooh, it's humongous. Ooh, this one, okay, these are wet residue because there is fake snow in it, so, yeah. And the jumbo one is much more fluffier. Ooh, yeah. This is nice. Nice texture. Stretchy. Okay. Next slime from the next package. From the same person, just in a different package because it couldn't fit in here, obviously, because this is really tiny. But as it looks of it, it's very great packaging, very professional. So let's just see what's in here. Ooh, a bunch of stuff in here. I can already see extras. Here are the extras. I'm guessing, because I did not order this for sure. Like, her shop is a slime shop, not... Yeah, I don't know how to say that. Okay, so these are the extras. Hand lotion. Scented Merry Mint. Oh, she already opened it. It smells pretty nice. And she also gave me a chapstick. Also, Scented Merry Mint. Smells a little bit like Merry Mint. Smells like mint. So. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, so this is the next one. I think this is the last one because, yeah, it's the last one, sadly. But the thing is, oh, never mind. Okay, so actually, the thing is that I could tell she doesn't have tape because, like, this thing is already open. So it's okay though. It's fine. Let's just open it. Whoa! Glitter on the top of the container, and look what's in here. A bunch of surprises. There's like beads too, you can't really see it. There you go. There's like beads. Glitter. Glitter galore. That. Okay, so just get on with this slime. It's the last slime. There's some glitter on it and there's a bead in it. Just for aesthetics. But anyways. Not filled up to the top, but that is fine. Ooh! I can feel glitter on top. Feels like rusty because there's glitter on top. But we'll mix it in. Okay. This is a jiggly slime. So is actually called a really long name, pretty long. It's called Santa's Good List. And I'm guessing it's called that because it's green. And good means green, and red means, and bad means red, I'm guessing. So, obviously I ordered the good one, because, you know. So, that was it. And, overall, she did a pretty good job, but the only thing I will complain about is that her slimes, well, slime that I ordered 3 slimes. 2 of them were not filled up all the way to the top. And the one that was filled up all the way to the top has leaked because there's some like residue outside, like there's some dry slime. Yep. So it must have like leaked or something. So because it's filled up like really, you know. So, but pretty good. And another thing, actually, no, it's fine. I was actually going to complain that it had wet residue, but it's really hard to get a slime with no residue that you put fake snow into. Like if you're trying to make a cloud slime, it's really hard not to have any residue. So, other than that, all her slimes are really nice. And another thing I complain about is this slime, because the beads fall out. So very crunchy though. But overall, my favorite slime has to be, I feel like this is my favorite slime. But I love all of her slimes equally, so I have really no favorite. Her slime, I will give it a 4.8 out of 5. Just because the slime isn't filled up all the way to the top, as you can tell. Well, this part looks like it is, but you can tell it's not right here. So it's not filled up all the way to the top. So, but she was nice enough to give me an extra, 2 extras. So, yeah. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment down below which one was your favorite slime. This Santa's Good List, black rainbow cake, sorry. Wait, actually, since these are the same slimes, if you picked black rainbow cake, which one? The medium one or the jumbo one? Comment down below. So, bye.
When you feel the world is over,